At least Dr. King gave you something. None of your leaders since then, not a single one, nationalist or integrationist, has given you a movement for change. They've given you a lot of speeches. They give you a lot of walks and marches and promises, but an actual movement for change, nobody has done it in the last 54 years. Social events, not political movements. And I can't really fault them completely because we have gotten so politically lazy as a race that we're not interested in no sacrifice. We're not interested in no struggle. That's why we now live in the era of the one-day march in Black America. We protest for one day. We go to a march for one day. We rally for one day. We boycott for one day. Name me anybody who got free from 24 hours of struggle. It must be sustained, it must be protracted, and it must be continuous. The Montgomery bus boycott that Dr. King led in his 20s was 381 days. And that was brief. But for 381 days, black folks would not get on that bus. Read the stories of how the elders were walking to work and they ran out of the rubber on the bottom of their soles, so they just walked barefoot. They would get home and their soles would be bleeding, but they refused to catch that bus.